Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for dropping by. Today we have a special flight. We're going to do a long-range flight. We're going to go down to this beautiful beach. It's called Myrtos. It's located on the island of Kefalonia, Greece. And from there we're going to fly a long-range flight all the way to the island of Assos. And we're going to also take a little bit of a tour there over the village, and then we're going to bring you to a fortress that has been around since early 1500s. So let's do this. I've gone through the all the settings in the controller, and we are good to go. Here we go. I do have a height maximum set to 75 meters. That might be a little high, but I don't want to take any chances around here. Here at the first viewpoint overlooking this Myrtos Beach, it's known all over the world. People come specifically for this beach to Kefalonia. Isn't this beautiful? You don't want to fall off this this place. Today is a little bit cloudy, but I think it's going to be a great flight. Now this beach is accessible by car, and it's about 2 kilometers down, so you'd have to drive down, and if you're lucky you'll get parking. It's always packed here with tourists. But check out that water. It's sparkling clear, I tell you. Now, it's not just about the beach here. I plan to do a long-range flight over to Assos from this point, and we'll see how that goes. But first, let's check out that beach down there. There's quite a few people here, but there's usually a lot more people. This is the end of the season, or close to the end of the season. Looks like everybody's having a lot of fun down there, and I can't wait to join them, because right after this we're gonna go down there. That'll be me and my wife, that is, but I wanted to show you a top-down view from this beach. It's amazing. If you're ever around this area, you should come and visit Myrtos Beach. You can't go wrong with this beach. And don't go away, because we're going to do the long-range flight in a few minutes. We'll do a manual drone here and see how that looks. Why not? And let's do a manual dolly and see how that works. My wife Lisa and I, we plan to go down this winding road to visit the beach after we finish flying our Mini 4 Pro. Okay, let's set our course to the island Assos. Okay, I'm not sure how far the island is, but I'll just pop it up on the screen so everyone knows. Now, because it's a long flight, we'll see if I can maybe speed it up.
We are flying towards the village of Assos in Kefalonia. This village is one of the most picturesque and beautiful in Kefalonia, and it has a Venetian military history from the 1500s. The village is often cited as the most charming and romantic spot on the island. It's nestled in a horseshoe-shaped cove on a narrow peninsula, featuring colorful, pastel-colored houses and tranquil turquoise waters. But Assos is more than just a pretty harbor. Its history is defined by the massive Venetian Fortress, visible on the hillside. When the powerful Republic of Venice controlled this island in the 16th century, they strategically built this castle, starting in 1593. Its most important landmark is the large ruined Venetian fortress, built in the late 16th century atop the peninsula. The castle was strategically built to protect the local population from pirate raids and Ottoman invaders, and it once served as the administrative capital of northern Kefalonia. The village grew up in the shadow of that protection, and you can still see the strong Venetian architectural influence in the colorful houses below.
I tell you, the day today is cooperating. I just love it. I have to tell you, this Mini 4 Pro is handling the wind and everything around very nicely. I feel so confident flying this drone. I can't say more than that. If it drops out of the sky and into the drink, no way I'm getting this drone back. We're getting close. So we have arrived. Let's check this out. Right after our beach time, I think we're going to head back to the village where we're staying, which is Divarata. And there's the remnants of that castle on top. You can hike up there and take a nice tour up there. We're not gonna have any time to get to Assos today. We've been traveling most of the day. Look at the color of this water. In the meanwhile, look at this beautiful little village right on the water. And there's somebody's yacht right there. And you can see a little boat behind that. Future Jerry talking. We've flown the maximum distance of 4,680 meters, and that is 15,355 feet. Okay, let's kick it into sport mode and head back. Of course, we're going to speed it up a little bit on the way back. I don't want to keep everyone in suspense. So, hope all that stuff goes well. It's a long way back. I think we're just gonna switch off the cruise control and turn on the return to home. I'm getting some signal breakup on the controller. I just hope everything goes smooth on the return, because like I said, I don't want to lose my drone. Myrtos Beach is just around that cove, so we'll be there soon. So far everything is going smooth. I can't say anything bad about the Mini 4 Pro. It's just a wonderful machine, and well, we'll see how that concludes today. But I don't have any hesitation about this. It's always been rock steady for me, and I'm sure that the Mini 5 Pro is going to do something, if not better than what the performance is on the Mini 4 Pro. There's that beautiful beach. We're almost there. So I was boarding the plane for Greece, and DJI released the Mini 5 Pro. So I'll be catching up on those videos by all the YouTubers. Well, I just sold my Mini 2 to someone in the village, and I missed that little buddy, but he's gone. All that to say that I don't have another camera drone like the Mini 4 Pro with me. The closest I have now is the Divarata 2. That is a scary cliff, man. Okay, it's right above us. I see that it's getting ready to descend, and here we go. She's coming down. Now, I hope no one comes and interrupts the landing here, but so far so good. I'm keeping an eye on it. It's right on target, and we're almost there. And these locks here, people, couples come and put them up on there, and that's because it's something to do with love locked together, something like that. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the flight, and I hope you got something out of this. So if you did, please, hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate it. Happy holidays, and stay tuned for more coming soon. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.